This is BB-8's first day at the university. He's still a bit shy and jerky. We'll definitely bring him back here another day once he's much more stable. For now, enjoy this clip.
It's a feeling. So, may kinakabahan na
Galing. Bibit, buy me Baxilo.
everyone decides to move back. Yeah. Wala si Ray. Bakit di naman siya nung strong yung magnet? Ganun ba yan?
Pero pwede mo naman palakasin yung mga magnets eh. Bilhin mo ng bago.
Palitan mo na lang.
O, palitan mo ng mas malaki.
Tinatamad na sila.
So, habang nandun sila, ang ginawa nung kalaban nila was able to escape, and nasa sa kanya yung mapa kung saan located si Luke Skywalker. So, kaya siya sikat masyado kasi, tapos, si Rey, scavenger. You know what's a scavenger, right? The scavenger, yung kumukuha lang ng mga tira-tirang pagkain, ganyan. Tapos, Ren tortured Poe using... So yun, nahuli nila si Ren kanina, pero nakatakas si Ren kasi...